How to use gift card on Doordash. This tutorial will guide you through the process of using and redeeming a gift card on the Doordash app. Whether you received a gift card for a special occasion or purchased one for personal use, this step-by-step guide will help you navigate the app effortlessly and enjoy your meals. Let's begin. Open the Doordash app. Make sure that your account is logged in. As you can see, mine is already open and logged in. If your account is logged in, tap the Profile tab, which is located at the top of the screen beside the notification icon. But it depends on what device you use because on an iPhone, maybe the Profile tab is located at the bottom right of the screen. While in the Account tab, tap on the Payment Methods option below the Profile option to proceed. While in the Payment Method tab, scroll down until you find the Redeem a Gift Card to Add Credits tab. After you locate the Redeem a Gift Card to Add Credits tab, tap on it so that we can proceed. As you can see, this is where you can type the gift card PIN to claim or redeem the rewards. After typing the gift card PIN, tap on the Redeem to Your Account button to proceed with the transaction. You have successfully redeemed and used your gift card on Doordash. Enjoy your meal and keep in mind the following next steps by checking your account balance after each order to track your remaining gift card funds. And if you encounter any issues, refer to DoorDash customer support for assistance. Feel free to explore more features of the DoorDash app, such as promotions and discounts, to enhance your dining experience.